On what's probably going to be the hottest October day in history, thousands and thousands of people are marching in the streets of Paris to ask their government to take action against climate change. Saturday it was 27 degrees Celsius, 10 degrees above the October average in Paris. The extreme temperatures seem to become the norm, and that's worrying more and more people.
Why are you here today?
For him.
Okay.
To make sure he will have a bright future, to make sure there's still hope.
All ages participated, from the old who realized that they contributed to climate change.
I know I'm responsible. It's true. We were blind to the conditions that we are seeing today. The situation now is very, very serious.
To the future generation.
It's important to save our planet for our future and that of our children when we're grown.
It says sauver la planète, what means save the planet, because maybe one day it'll be too hot.
This is the second in a series of monthly demonstrations to ask action against climate change. And today people are not only marching in Paris, but in more than 50 other French cities, in Switzerland, in Belgium and in Germany. The people marching here hope that it's still not late to save our planet. This is Stefan Vries in Paris for CGTN.